What if you made a single investment that revolutionized your life? We all understand that investment is an important technique for building wealth over time. While diversifying your investments is conventional advice for risk management, it's fascinating to contemplate how a single good investment might drastically change your status. Simply purchasing one stock, for example, could make you a millionaire, allowing you to retire early and entirely open up your life's possibilities. Let's look at how just one good investment can radically transform your life. Stay tuned to the conclusion to find out how practically anyone can turn a tiny quantity of money into a life-changing sum with a simple and safe investment that will astound you. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. When a successful investment pays off, it can start a chain reaction of great outcomes in your life. Suddenly, you notice more money in your account, which not only improves your current financial condition but also your cash flow, or the amount of money you earn. This influx of income allows you to investigate new investment alternatives or even take a step toward attaining other financial goals you may have set for yourself. One of the most well-known instances of a successful investment is Apple, which we've all heard about. Imagine investing $110,000 in Apple shares in 2003, when the price was around $1 per share. Adjusting for stock splits, Apple's stock price would have risen to approximately $200 per share by the end of 2023. This implies your initial $110,000 investment is now worth a life-changing $8.9 million before inflation, with an annual return of almost 38%. With this level of achievement, you have a lot of fantastic possibilities, such as paying off debt. Paying off high-interest obligations like credit cards or student loans would be a relief. It means less stress about monthly payments and the opportunity to use that money towards activities that are important to you. Are you considering investing in real estate? Consider investing your money towards purchasing a home or a rental property. Real estate can increase in value over time, and renting out houses can provide a consistent income. It's an excellent approach to accumulate wealth by earning high returns in a stable asset class. Are you looking to diversify your investments? Now that you have extra cash, you can diversify your investments. You may consider equities, bonds, index funds, or even something new, such as real estate investment trusts or investing in a startup. Diversifying protects your money from market fluctuations and can increase your overall profits. Starting a business? Perhaps you've always wanted to start your own business, no matter how tiny or large it is. Using your funds to launch a business can be quite rewarding. If you're prepared to put in the work, you have the opportunity to build something significant and potentially profitable. Planning for the future? Use your accomplishment to position yourself for the future. Consider saving for retirement, setting aside money for your children's education, or supporting causes you care about. Planning ahead of time guarantees that your financial success grows and benefits you in the long run, as well as that your money is meaningfully used to better the lives of others. Investing in Apple stock has been a big success for many people, generating fair returns over time. However, it is important to realize that Apple is just one of many successful investments. Beyond tech behemoths like Apple, the stock market offers several opportunities. Companies in biotech, energy, and even old economy equities have produced a lot of money for their investors. Each of these has its own potential for growth and profit, demonstrating how versatile and fascinating investment can be. They may not receive the same attention as Apple, but they demonstrate that significant returns can come from unexpected sources. Successful investment is more than just following the herd. It is about identifying attractive opportunities that others may ignore and seizing them at the proper time. Investing may be an exhilarating experience, with some rare wagers striking the jackpot while the majority fail. While Apple and Amazon have huge success stories, many investments fail. Sometimes companies stumble as a result of unforeseen market obstacles or upheavals. Other times, investors are misled by impatience, pulling out too soon or plunging in without proper study. It's tempting to get caught up in rapid profits and indulge on luxuries like a new automobile rather than sticking around for the long haul. Successful investing needs foresight and perseverance, not simply luck. It is critical to balance risk, do your homework, and stay dedicated over time. Apple's success as a stock did not happen quickly. Investing requires patience. Apple has encountered its fair share of obstacles throughout the years, responding to market shifts and introducing products that shocked the world. For investors, this path demonstrates the need of perseverance over time. It wasn't a pleasant trip, either. Many investors questioned if Apple could maintain its pace in the face of numerous obstacles. The same holds true for people who invested in real estate in the early 2010s. Nowadays, many wonder why they didn't buy real estate while it was so affordable. Most people didn't think that way. Rather, they wondered, will the real estate market and the economy in general ever recover after such a period of economic distress? At the time, many people would have thought you were insane for purchasing real estate. Those who have profited from Apple's expansion have remained consistent despite market fluctuations, believing in the company's long-term prospects. Patience in investing can pay dividends, allowing you to ride out the bumps, identify chances, and ultimately reap the benefits of a great investment. When investing, locking in profits can be a wise decision to protect earnings and diversify your portfolio. Imagine you found a sweet spot with a stock like Apple. It's been consistently rising, but you're concerned that it will plateau or perhaps dip. Taking part of those winnings off the table allows you to realize your gains and have cash on hand. Furthermore, it allows you to diversify your investing portfolio. Perhaps you're interested in a developing tech firm or wish to expand your real estate assets. Diversifying helps to balance risk and creates fresh opportunities for your money to develop. To maintain a successful investment game, you must remain agile and make strategic decisions. That way, if the stock falls all the way back to where you acquired it or even lower, you won't lose anything. When investing in something speculative, be sure you don't put more money at risk than you can afford to lose. It's a good idea to diversify your investments by investing in broad market index funds and ETFs, with a small portion set aside for riskier investments, also known as fund money. Experts recommend that you keep your fund money at 10% or less of your portfolio. So, if you locate a terrific investment, you can still reap life-changing rewards, but you won't go bankrupt betting on the next winner. Finding that balance entails comparing the potential benefits against the possibility of losing money without being stressed out. Knowing how much risk you're willing to take is essential when investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or other assets. It's about putting clear limitations on how much you're willing to commit while acknowledging that markets can be unpredictable. Following this guideline prevents you from making rash decisions when things become unpredictable and maintains your financial view stable, even when things appear unclear. Diversifying your investments is a good idea. A single successful investment can have a life-changing impact. Small money can be transformed into amazing wealth, allowing you to retire early, support philanthropic organizations, or even start a new business. Doing your homework, making informed decisions, and having a backup plan in place are essential for capitalizing on these chances. With the right strategy, a single excellent investment can drastically change your life. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?